Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Rinki Batreja from Art Laurels Indore. Before we start our tutorial, please make sure that you subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you don't miss out our any updates. So let's start. I have taken wooden MDF candle stand which is around 3 by 3 inches, and we need a base also which is around 5 inches. Paint the center candle holder with any acrylic color. I have taken the red color according to the theme of Christmas, and paint the edges of the circle also with the same color. I have taken Christmas color themes paper, red and green. I have cut all the pieces of sides from the same paper, and from the other paper I have drawn the circle and on the upper side of the candle stand. Cut the paper according to the respective sizes. Paste the pieces with the help of adhesive. Now for the flower making templates, take the rectangle size of 2 into 1.5 inches for bigger petal, and for the smaller petal 1.5 into 1 inches. All the measurements are written in the description box below. It is the poinsettia flower which is specially made for the Christmas occasions for decorations. Now cut this rectangle piece. Fold it into the half. Draw the pattern as shown. Cut into the desired shape so that you will get the exact size of the template. In this way your template is ready. In the same way your smaller template will be ready like this. Now these are the Fomarian sheets which I have taken of red and green color as we are decorating on the Christmas theme. So draw the pattern and cut it into the desired shape. It is the bigger leaf which we require around 5 to 10 leaves according to the placement you are going to do. So I have already prepared my leaves of the green color and the red color also, and the smaller and bigger size both. I have taken embossing pad and a tool. It is a round pointed tool. You can make it with the help of needle also. Give the impression as shown. It is very simple veins you have to give. All the leaves and petals are ready. Now on the upper side of the candle stand, I have pasted the paper and I am giving the crease to get the perfect cutting of the center holder. Now we will start the flower making. Take smaller piece of the foam which is around 0.75 inches, and we will paste this flower onto this piece so that it will give the base to the flower. Place the petal in all 4 directions so you will get your smaller petal flower. only 4 petals to make smaller flower, and for the bigger one we need 5 petals. So paste it bigger petal overlapping each other so that it will give you the perfect round shape in 5 petals. You can decorate your Christmas tree with the help of this flower also, or you can do any Christmas decorations according to your choice with the help of this flower, because this flower is the symbol of Christmas decoration. It's a part of the Christmas decoration. So try this flower and show your creativity. On the back side of the flower I am attaching the leaves so that it will give me the perfect look of poinsettia flowers. In the center part, these are the glass beads, and I have pasted the glue gun and pour the glass beads onto that, and it will paste it out. Now both the flowers are ready. Now for the more decorations, I have taken a diamond lace which I will be pasting on the upper side of my candle stand. On all 4 sides I will decorate my candle stand. On the circle edges also I will paste the diamond lace. Now both the pieces are ready. To give more enhancement and little bit of festive look, I am adding little bit of golden on the edges of the flower. This is the acrylic color I have taken, and I am doing the dry brushing on the edges of flower, so it will give me the festive and a jazzy look. We will do the arrangement part. Place the candle stand in a diagonal shape and paste it with the help of glue gun. Now we will arrange the flowers. Now I am adding more leaves so that it will give me the bunch look. And these are the berry pollens I am having, which will be perfectly goes with the Christmas decorations. So I am adding the embellishments too. To add more beauty, I am adding 2 miniature roses which I am having. You can paste the candle also in the center part, or if you have the battery tea light holder, you can paste it on this candle stand and jazz up your Christmas decorations. I hope you like the video, and please shower your comments how you like our video, and stay tuned with us for more and more crafty tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.